Hi Mr. Khan, I've got a question for you today. How do we calculate the presence in the UK when applying for our ILR, and how are the absences counted towards the 180 days limit?
ILR, indefinite leave to remain, depends on the category which the applicant is applying on. It is a skilled worker route, it is a long residence route, or it is a spouse route, or it is an entrepreneur route. It depends on the route which the applicant is applying. So time is it depends very application to application. Let's take but one fundamental rule is for all application, which is law of absence. Law of absence means the applicant, how long the applicant can stay out of the UK during the currency of his leave before applying for ILR mean, PR mean indefinite leave to remain permanent. Okay, so time is allowed time is at this minute after 11th January 2018. Out of country time is automatically allowed 180 days in a year, in 1 year, mean 6 months. So up to 6 months, up to 180 days, applicants stay out of the UK and no explanation required for that. If something beyond that, then if in special circumstances, exceptional circumstances, that's a different thing, then may be allowed, but standard is 180 days mean 6 months every year. What is every year mean? Where the time will be count from? Date of application and date of grant. Let's take in this way. Date of grant, when the application was granted out of UK, it means anti-clearance application. This is the date when actual time start. So many people have a confusion that time start when the applicant entered. No, time start when the anti-clearance application was granted. For example, Pakistan or India or any country, when your visa was granted or leave to enter was granted. So time start from there. And other thing is the time start from when you entered. But the difference of that is actually, for example, I'll give you example for understanding. If the applicant was granted on 1st January 2020, but the applicant managed to fly from Pakistan 2 months later and entered after 2 months in the UK. So in that way, when application will be submitted for ILR, the time count from backward. When you are making application, the time will go till the applicant entered in the country, right? But any time the applicant has spent between the time of anti-clearance application and the time of arrival, that 2 months he spent, time will be absence. That 2 months will be counted for absence. This is very important. So many people have a confusion about that. So if you listen this video again, so then you will understand what I'm trying to say. For more detail, you can call Addison and Khan Solicitors, and you can have our landline number 0208 514 4836 or on WhatsApp 075 961 00072. I repeat, 075 961 00072 if you want to apply for indefinite leave to remain, because this is a crucial stage of your stay in this country. You can get assessment of your application and try your best to answer your questions. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Khan.